Yeah. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're in Wales. There's me, there's Nick, and Malcolm is up there somewhere. So Numpty over here, me, and not Nick's fault because Nick was following me. I missed the turn-in for Wales, and we ended up going further on, and we had to do a couple of U-turns. Phoned Malk, and Nick had a pee in the bushes over there. I got a photo for posterity. Shithead. So Nick's on comms, so he's just called me some rude names. Malk's patiently waiting for us in a lay-by because we lost comms with Malk. The ride up to Wales from the England, from the southwest this morning, was a bit wet and sprayish, and yeah, visibility was poor. But that's no excuse. We were on comms, and well, 100% my fault. But anyway, it's not an adventure until something goes wrong, and let's hope this is the last of... mate, are you alright getting on that bike? You sound really old. It's like you've been on that bike for days. Right, so Abergavenny, 12 miles. It's nice and dry now and visibility's pretty good. It was a bit shit with all that spray. Left, left, left. Mate, how slow do you want to go? Jesus! I was going to do a full-on knee down 60 mile an hour around the corner here. Have you ever been to Raglan Castle, by the way? It's the one on the right hand side. We'll go past it in a minute. That one there. I've got a photo of my bike outside of it. I think I've got a photo of the GS outside of it. I'm going out and then back in. Yeah, built there to try and keep the English at bay. Didn't really work out for them. Yeah, we're going to go right here, guys. Oh, sorry, second exit. Third exit. So we're going to Waifani. Waifani. Yeah, don't use it first and second, mate. It's too lumpy. So I always use the clutch. I'll use the clutch as well sometimes for changing down. I love how deep the engine noise is, or the exhaust noise on this. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back, guys. So we've just stopped at one of the supermarkets to get some breakfast. Well, second breakfast for me, first breakfast for the other two. The old men don't eat early because it affects their bladder, especially Nick because he's old. And then we had to refuel because the KTM doesn't have 200 miles to the tank. We've got a 30 zone here, guys. Oh, look at the bloody Brecons. You see the mountains on the right hand side, gents? Oh, I love this corner. I want to go. And then bring it back, bring it back down a notch. 13 miles to the next place. You're right for fuel still, Nick. You'll be saying that to me once you've got your GSA. Right, we are at the Owl's Nest. Famous for owls, nests and the gym. Well, we're going off-road. I'll do my best. This is where Matt gets a wriggle on.
that's it for this episode of the Three Amigos Go to Wales. If you got anything from this video, please drop me a comment below. Please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of the videos. See you on the next one, guys. Bye bye.
So we're turning right and then we've got to turn left, and then we're on the to Langdrig Big Dog, Wales.